different parts of the world. And not only that he is a professional, an engineer, but he's also a servant of God. And wherever he is, wherever he goes, he served God. He's been part of church planting, and I'm just looking at his credentials, looking at his resume. You can say that he's been part of the church planting in Saudi Arabia, in the Philippines, Costa Mesa, Brunei, Malaysia, and Canada, Alberta, Melbourne, in Australia, even in Metro Manila. And now he's also the mission pastor. He's also one of the founding pastor in Grand Prairie, Alberta, Canada. So if you have a plan to go to Canada, you will see.
Kind of you to welcome.
Moms are special. Isn't it, moms?
Amen.
But I do believe dads, fathers are essential. Without dads, you're not going to be here. Amen. So we're going to know for sure. And Sunday, of course,